In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the YouVsHomer Discord server. Let's get started. So if you have been trying to get into the community but weren't sure how, just follow along step by step. First, launch your Discord. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the server list. Tap the plus Add a Server button, which is the button used to add or join servers. Next, go to the bottom and choose Join a Server. You'll see a box asking for an invite link. Here you need to type YouVsHomer. Make sure you spell it exactly like that and keep it all one word with no spaces. If you're unsure about the spelling, copy it exactly as shown. After entering it, tap Join Server at the bottom. Discord will immediately add you into the YouVsHomer server and you will be able to access all the channels and community features. And that's it. You are now inside the server and you can explore the channels, see updates, and chat with other players. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.